Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on the Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and today we're going to do a quick DIY. As you guys know, I'm remodeling my home or redoing it or redecorating it, and one of the bathrooms are going to be black and gold. And I was in the Dollar Tree and I saw these beautiful vases and I saw these black things, and I was like, oh, that would make a good black and gold candle piece. So I set it up here and it works fine. So this is what we're going to do today. We're going to make 2 candle holders. So for this project you'll need 2 of Dollar Tree's decorative candle holders, and you will need 2 of Dollar Tree's base, like the iron candle holders. You will need your scissors just for cutting off tags, your E6000 because we want to make this permanent, and your hot glue gun for an immediate fix. And that's all, guys. So if you want to see how we put this together, just keep watching. So I'm going to just cut this tag off right quick on both sides. And if you want, guys, you can embellish it some more. You can put some candle holders have the extra bling around the neck. And I'm sorry, guys, I just put it on without telling you what it is. It's Dollar Tree's bling wrap. It's the three roll one, and I just cut a single strand off of it and put it around the neck of the candle holders. So the next thing we're going to do is just take the candle holder, and we're going to put some E6000 simple and easy to make. So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And until next time, I love you guys. Bye bye.
One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2.